For 10 years, there was one piece of career advice everyone gave. बेटा just learn to code, इंजीनियर बन जाओ, सेफ है, फ्यूचर प्रूफ है. अब क्लाउड खुद कोड लिख रहा है. So if you are 18 now, what do you actually do? I want to tell you something that's going to sound strange. See, learn to code was never really the advice. It was a shortcut, a stand-in for something bigger. The real advice was always learn a skill that pays you to think, where there are more demand than there are people who can do it well. Coding just happened to be the easiest version of that to teach fast. 12 weeks in a boot camp and companies would hire you. That easy shortcut is gone. Not because coding stopped mattering, because the easy to teach, easy to hire part of coding got automated. Here's what I tell every client who panicked about this. Companies were never paying you for syntax. Syntax is just vocabulary. They were paying you for your judgment. Let's suppose somebody hands you a messy problem. A client wants an app, but they don't know what they actually want. And you turn that mess into something that works. That is the actual skill, and that will always remain the actual skill. AI is extremely good at vocabulary now. Cloudy can write function faster than any fresher. But AI can't sit in a meeting and figure out that the client is asking X feature because they are actually scared of losing Y feature. It can't tell you which of the 10 things on the roadmap actually matters this quarter. That's purely judgment, and that's taste. Nobody automated that. Not yet, or maybe not ever. So here's the time to give you the real advice. If you are 18 right now, here's 3 things that you need to focus. Number 1, still learn to code. Don't skip it, no. But learn it as a language for thinking, not as a trait. You need to be fluent enough to know when the AI's answer is wrong. Right now, most people can't tell that, and that's the dangerous point. Number 2, get close to a real problem, not a tutorial problem. A real one, a real ground level one. You can do internship in a startup, freelance for a shop who want a website, or you can help your cousins or family members to go online, right? Anything where a real human has a real messy need. That's where judgment gets built. Judgment doesn't come from a course, no, it comes from the real mess, ground level mess. Number 3, practice explaining, not just building. See, the person who can explain is the master right now. The person who can say, hey, here's what we should build and here's why, in one clear statement, that person become the one directing 5 AI tools instead of competing with them. See, I'll give you an example. I had a client in mid-20s, very good techie, brilliant with code, completely stuck. Because his entire identity was, I can write clear code. That identity is under threat. It's gone. The people who are fine right now are one who never tied their worth of being fastest typist in the room. They are the one who are the clearest thinker in the room. That was true in 2015. That is true right now in 2026. And that will be true in 2035 as well. Don't tie your identity or your worth with one tool. Your identity should be aligned with clear thinking, because that clear thinking will give you so much more opportunities, because everything is aligned with clear thinking only. So if you are 18 and scared right now, don't stop learning to code. Stop believing that knowing how to code was ever the whole plan. It was just step 1. Judgment was always step 2. And I hope you will go ahead and gain the knowledge of step 2. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so feel free to write in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do share it with someone who wants to hear this today. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel to get more information regarding your career development. I am your coach Sona Bhatt, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Take care. Goodbye.